Hi, y'all. Choice here. Another quick word. Another quick word about relationships. Relationships. Relationships is not just an intimate relationship. Actually, they're all intimate. They're all spiritual. All relationships serve a purpose. But I'm not necessarily speaking about a relationship with just individuals. I'm speaking about a relationships in general, relationships with yourself, the relationship with yourself, your relationship outside of yourself, what you perceive to be outside of yourself. Because the truth is, or the reality is, your relationship with self is the relationships that you perceive to be, that you are experiencing outside of yourself. It's showing you yourself. And the only way that you're able to see aspects of yourself, of what you are and what you are not, is through your relationships with other people and also the environments that you find your way into after you're old enough to discern what's good for you, what's best for you. So your relationship with yourself and how you feel about yourself is always, always, always projected on the outside. Like someone would say, looking in the mirror and asking the mirror to smile when you have a complete frown on your face. Now, what does this mean? What does it mean? It always goes back to doing the internal work. Again, checking your vibe, internal work. Looking outside of yourself at your environment or the people that you're around or the job that you're in or whatever you're doing, internal work. You're looking at your weight and you're wanting to make some changes about what's going on with that, or your health and what's going on with that, or your habits and what's going on with that. Internal work. Everything is showing you who you are and who you are not. Is being reflected and projected. And what you perceive to be your space. We can change it. We can change it. It takes work, for sure, because a lot of, this just happened, accumulation of things just happen over time. And it's not our fault. And then also, we're still involved in the narratives that these people are putting out every day on the news. How are you, to be able to become your best version of yourself, you have to shut all that out. To become the best version of yourself, you got to shut that out, or be able to handle it in a detached way where you see it out there and you know that you are not the victim, that you're not the victim of any of it. Anyway, Choice here. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Much love. Peace. Thank you so much. Thank you.